Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you play Rewrite the Stars on guitar. We'll start by learning the 4 essential chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These are very common and form the backbone of many songs. Focus on getting clear sounds from each string and practicing smooth, effortless changes between them. This foundational step is crucial for playing the entire song with ease. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A simple yet effective pattern for Rewrite the Stars is down, down, up, up, down, up. Remember to keep your strumming hand loose and relaxed. This helps create a natural, flowing rhythm. Begin by practicing this pattern very slowly, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Once you feel comfortable, you can gradually pick up the pace to match the song's tempo. Now, let's put those chords and strumming together with the song's progression. For the verses and choruses of Rewrite the Stars, you'll primarily use a 4-chord sequence: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. You'll repeat this sequence throughout most of the song. It's incredibly helpful to listen to the original track while practicing, as this will help you internalize the timing and feel of the chord changes. To truly master Rewrite the Stars, consistent practice is key. Always begin your practice sessions slowly, prioritizing clean and accurate chord changes over speed. Using a metronome can be incredibly beneficial for developing a steady rhythm and improving your timing. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. With dedication, you'll be playing this beautiful song smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.